I know I haven't made a video sharing our 8th grade curriculum picks, but I do want to share with you guys some of the workbooks that we're going to use this next semester, as well as some of the things that we used last semester for 8th grade. So to start off, like last semester, we ended up doing health and I believe psychology. Our 8th grader might want to major in psychology when she grows up. She's been talking a lot about it and has been learning so much in this book. So this is something that we started last year for 7th grade, and she's actually been reading it. We did health and the human mind last semester with our 8th graders. She pretty much did it just like once a week, and it does come with the student journal. For this semester, our main focus is going to be money. Every Friday, she's also going to be reading Life Skills for Teen. This is a great one. It does talk about money somewhere in here. I did get the US Born Money for Beginners. It does seem like an interesting read, and she is going to be doing it, I believe, like twice a week until she finishes the entire book. Once our daughter finishes US Born Money for Beginners, she is going to get started on the mathematics of banking and credit. What I love about it is it ends up teaching you stuff like about how to write a check, your banking account. So this right here seems like an intimidating stack, but to be honest, out of all these, she's not going to end up doing all of these because once I got them, I realized that they're actually a lot. But for sure, I'm going to have her pick and choose one of these workbooks. My daughter's 8th grade curriculum is literature based, but she did tell me that there's not a lot of writing or kind of like editing going on in there. So I decided to get her these workbooks just in case she wants to do like one page a day and do like an easier workload, or this in case she does legit want to do a full-on WriteShop course. We're probably not going to do WriteShop 2 this year. For sure, we might do WriteShop 1, but I'm going to let her decide after we open it up and see what we want to do. You complete this in an entire year unless you're trying to rush through it, but it's usually recommended only to rush through it for like high schoolers, not middle schoolers. My daughter is an 8th grader, so they do recommend middle schoolers to take a whole year to complete each WriteShop. So I'm not going to rush her through it. If she decides to do it, yay. If not, it's okay. We got backups. I don't know if she's going to end up wanting to do all of them. I just got her one of each since these are all 8th grade. This one is pretty much using textual evidence to prove something. This one is the 6 trait writing, language review, reading comprehension, and paragraph editing. She already told me that she wants to do the paragraph editing, the writing, and the language reviews.